programming, even like back in the day where they weren't doing it with technology, it was still through suggestion or ritual or tradition. And so at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself, do you have any free will after all of this programming that you've been subjected to? Are you living your free will, or are you living someone else's free will that has will over you because they know the science of neurolinguistic programming?
Right. Yeah. I mean, that's a difficult. That's kind of like a existentialistic question.
I think you still do.
Yeah.
You just have to work harder for it.
Yeah. I mean, there's big question. Like one philosophical idea is determinism. Determinism postulates that the universe is a causal.
Familiar with like comparative
Action,
pathology
events,
at all,
and
or
decisions are governed by cause and effect. We could call it antecedent.
Are there any
logically
of the world religions
preceding
that
the
you think
cause
get closer to
precedes
the
the
truth
effect?
than any other?